Hello, everyone. The secret to having a very beautiful, ageless skin plus overall good health is nourishing your system with nutrients. And this smoothie of today carries everything you need for the optimal health of your body. The first ingredient for this smoothie will be mango. Yes, mangoes carry a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you need, like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, plus a little bit of other vitamins and minerals to nourish your system with good nutrients you need for that healthy, fresh glow, ageless glow to your skin, plus nutrients that will help you function well. Like, this is so healthy, plus the other ingredients. So what I'll be using one mango. You just simply need to get your one mango, wash thoroughly, peel, and slice into sizes that you can easily blend. This is very healthy, very loaded with a lot of nutrients you need. So just simply slice into some sizes. And besides that, vitamin E, A, and C are what your system needs to make collagen, to boost collagen. That way you always have that firm, youthful, ageless skin without experiencing flappy or saggy skin. Your skin will always look so youthful and firm as you age. You hardly experience sagging skin. So this is one mango sliced. The second very important ingredient will be berries. Berries are one of the richest sources of antioxidants to fight free radical damage on the skin. You want to wash your berries thoroughly with vinegar and water so it is really clean. They are really clean. This is to fight free radical damage causing aging skin, dull skin, rough skin, aged skin, like leaving your skin looking so fresh, healthy, vibrant. Plus, it will leave in a lot of nutrients your system needs to have that healthy life. Like, you need nutrients, your organs, your internal system depends on nutrients for you to live healthy with beautiful and clear skin. And the antioxidants in here from vitamin C will nourish your skin and give you that freshness from the inside. So what you need is just like 10 berries. You just need to get 10 berries. You slice them into tiny little sizes that you can easily come up with a smoothie, and voila, this is it. This smoothie of today, very rich, like very rich. So these are the first two ingredients. The third, which helps to fight aging, like this promotes long life. It has an enzyme in it. Is it resveratrol or something? Yes. It promotes longevity. Like, it helps keep your organs in good state. It prevents oxidative stress, like all those like diseases that destroys your organs. This fights oxidative stress from environmental free radicals, pollution. Like, it protects your skin cells and your organs to always be healthy, plus promotes that beautifulness to your skin. So you need just a handful of berries. You want to get your handful of berries. It is very important to wash them. You see how they look white? You want to get all these white residues out of them, even though these are organic, but you want to wash thoroughly with something like vinegar. As you can see, I put in a lot of vinegar to really wash. These white residues are like preservatives, like they spray them to prevent them from getting rotten or eaten by insects. So they sprayed pesticides here to prevent insects from eating. So after washing, you want them to look really clean so you don't eat insects. Yeah. So this is it. The third is orange. Vitamin C, vitamin C from oranges are very good for clearing up your skin from the inside. Vitamin C is very vital for boosting your immunity as well as giving you that fresh, healthy glow from the inside. This is so nourishing. Like, all these ingredients put together, plus one last ingredient I'll be adding in here, because all these ingredients here, most especially orange and grapes, and the grapes can be a little bit sweet. So I'll need something to help me break down the little sugar that is in here. We just want everything to be balanced. So you want to watch the video till the end. But this is my orange. What you need is just one orange. You just get your one orange, wash thoroughly, and slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend. All these ingredients put together, very important. very important for the proper functioning of your system, plus to boost collagen for that youthful, fresh, beautiful, ageless skin. Yeah, so this is it. Just put your ingredients in there, and the next thing I'll be adding in here is very vital, as I explained: ginger. Ginger helps you to break down any possible sugar in your fruits, so you can get the nutrients in your system, but everything breaks down. So I'm just adding a little bit of ginger for helping my ingredients easily break down and being absorbed by my system. Plus it adds in some flavor in here. Ginger is very nice in smoothies. When you add, it gives that beautiful fresh flavor to your smoothie, and it easily like breaks down so fast. So this is it. Just like a teaspoon of grated or chopped ginger, you just add like a teaspoon in there, and voila, you're good to go. This is heavenly. So the next thing you want to do is just put your ingredients in your blender: your berries, your orange, your strawberry, orange, grape. You add your mango, and just add in your ginger. So these are the ingredients. Basically, this will do wonders to your system. Like, you will thank me putting this in your system. Very nourishing, very nourishing. So that is the ginger I'm showing you, so you don't forget. Very important. So I usually add in like some 2 ice cubes, just to make my smoothie chill in the mouth, not just flat. That way it gets in like ice cream. Yeah, it makes it taste like ice cream. So you just want to blend everything to get that very smooth consistency. Blend and blend. So after you blend and achieve it very smooth, that is when you can actually serve your smoothie and have it. You can have it as breakfast in the morning, you can have it as lunch, you can have it as dinner. This doesn't really have a time limit, because this is to nourish your system, but having it on an empty stomach is very good, most especially if you are that person who is not really eating healthy. These kinds of smoothies are good to have on an empty stomach, so it gets into a very clean skin system and really do the job for you. You see, very rich, and not just rich but very yummy as well. So yummy, you want to try and come back and thank Reza. It will not only taste yummy, it will keep you full if you have it as breakfast, or you can have it as your lunch, what, but breakfast most especially. It will keep you so full, nourish your system with nutrients, load your system with a lot of collagen, boost collagen production for that youthfulness, that will promote your skin's elasticity, so you always have that firm youthfulness to your skin. Yeah, try this recipe and you'll come back and thank Reza. You can have this at least once every week to boost collagen production, so you always have that youthfulness to your skin, that beautiful skin. And yeah, so share the video, share with your family and friends. Gone are those days that we just age because we don't know how to prevent our skin from aging so fast. You want to age but still look so beautiful. You want to age but still have your skin looking so firm. You don't want to age and feel like you're dying. You want to age and still have your beautiful firm skin. Like, I am 40 and my skin still looks so firm. Like, if you've been watching my videos, you'll notice my skin looks still so firm. I don't have any flappiness, but I have so many people of my age who are already experiencing the flappy skin. Their skin is not really firm because they don't nourish their skin with enough nutrients. You need to nourish your system. If you nourish your system, trust me, you always have that baby skin, that baby youthful skin. I can't reiterate enough, but I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye.